Amrut 2.0 गी मखादा consultative workshop ama pangthokre GIS based master plan for Nambol town for the horizon year 2046 haiba themda Nambol municipal council na sindona workshop ado public theater hall Nambol chingmangda ngasi pangthokibani thoramduda konthojam SC MLA su oiriba former IPR and Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh, Nambol SC MLA su oiriba former Minister Education Thonaujam Basant Kumar Singh, Nambol Municipal Council ki caretaker chairperson Singham Basant Singh, TPD Manipur ki Sip Town Planner Nongthombam Benju Singh, High Level Committee on Urban Planning India ki member and TPD Manipur ki retired Chief Town Planner Nepram Git Kumar Singh na athoibam amadi Wangong Singh oina saruk yakhi thoramduda Nambol Municipal Council ki Senior Executive Officer TS Rabindra na thoramgi warolda ngasi miyam punna khana nainaduna lakadoriba kumja lishingani ni futarukta chawkhatpa Greater Nambol ama oinaba miyamgi aningba pamasing hangduna punna khana nainaduna amadi tonganba club organization singi mihut singnasu makhoina ohiningba sing phongduk naduna khana nainabani haiba wafam thamki MLA Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh na phongdokibada ngasi munna khana nainaduna planning tohoraga kumja lishingani ni futarukta lambi thong mai ising ningthina semgatuna chawkhatpa Greater Nambol ama oinaba yamna maru oi wafam thamki loina MLA Thonaujam Basant Kumar na phongdorokibada Nambol Kaitel ase mi amadi gari yamna sinbana underground parking leiba mathon naiba Kaitel saba mathautai Nambol Foijingdagi hauraga maibam fawba overbridge ama tidem lambida saba Nambol Kaitel lagi Nambol awang changba lambi overhead footbridge ama saba Nambol SC gi oina ring road ama saduna Kaitelda mi lanthok lansin komhannaba loina SC asigi miyamda thaknaba ising phanghanaba sahigi ising isau leitaba AC oiba ngamnaba thaurang lokhopa maru oi aduga khoiri faba ground ase sanaroi singi afawa makalgi stadium ama semgat ningbagi apamba lei haiba wafam sing thamke
unauthorized oiba growth duga matamduda bagi yamna congested planning kai yaudaba yumma mai chakwa khotpa kanjida gari ro sangham yadabagi mong lakani habagi wakalo duna lambe thong ising kamaina tawkodomo habagi planning do hostel na tawbagi aina nasigi sida igi opinion ai wa ya sana zunang roi but aina thamjaring badi Nambol municipality area amsung Greater Nambol ina lakpa kansa Nambol municipal area Greater Nambol ina lakpa kansa sigi Greater Nambol zidagi just adjacent the lady was a kari infrastructure kari lady is I nasi experts in the like opinion namani thaning badi Nambol ki importance Nambol area ki importance kari no apakata historically yamna significant tourism sector does yamna keno to nina for say example in the Battle of Imphal is the for sige jaga the planning to Red Hills we to ya ponte remembrance tourism the sig is the acho poramane akoigi sige bido keno ki changes sige historical importance yamna sing matamdula to me am khatasna preserve tamna bagi wakalo na bazoi thamu khabra ida wakalo khatse
sports ka tanaga Nambol area ring road ma plan tabjariwa asigi project se sember hoye sida ai han Delhi salaga Nitin Gadkari Ministry of Highways unasare magi MOS unare Nambol se apni chimar sidagi labi se sumchat raga senapi sabal umchalaga koige kabu acham thoraga adai sabal kaidi chanaga iso wai manoi yoraga kham auraga adai sonde laga kano pa yan thambu yoba adagi sonde su laga koige chimar da sigi ring road ki plans hai I want to lay so I will share with you for road connectivity is very important here ठीक है अदुना road ring road see around 50 crore की project नहीं अदुबु national highways नदी state के थने किन्हीं आया अदुना आइना पावदी IBC projects हैं कोई की Nambol area की होना कोई की master plan में incorporate होगी बा ring road of Nambol, Greater Nambol area. So I will share with you my projects. I don't see the later. I town plan and share